Welcome Home Cooks to the Inspiring Lady Chef channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes. Today, we are making the authentic Hainanese chicken, one of my favorites, and this is my special day because right now, we received a culinary gift, not just ordinary, but it came from one of the most and recognized international culinary schools in our country. It is Enderon College. So let's do this right now. Welcome Home Cooks to the first playlist video of long recipes. I did this because it's too long, so it would be difficult to follow each steps while cooking at the same time. Therefore, I made it short by showing and providing a full recipe with the procedures to understand it better. The good news is, the whole recipe is free and very detailed so that you won't worry about the result of the dish. Wishing all of you with good health and happy life in the grace of God. Thank you and let's cook!
getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
I present to you my authentic Singaporean Hainanese chicken rice, and we know what aspiring home cooks love to do. It's turning up the music!